upgrading your Chevrolet Tahoe or Suburban's interior protection, concealing stubborn wear and tear, or giving your cabin a luxury leather aesthetic without paying for expensive custom upholstery usually means transitioning to precision-engineered custom seat covers. The EKR Custom Seat Covers, black/gray faux leather full set for 2021 to 2024 Chevy Tahoe/Suburban 8-seat models. Redefine automotive interior customization by combining exact 1:1 OEM matching dimensions, premium faux leather durability, and full 3-row cabin coverage. The primary technological breakthrough centers on its laser-measured 1-to-1 computer-aided design architecture engineered specifically for 2021 to 2024 Tahoe and Suburban 8-seat configurations, including second-row 40/60 split benches. Instead of struggling with generic universal slipcovers that bunch up awkwardly, block seatbelts, or prevent side airbag deployment, this advanced system fits your factory seats like a glove, preserving full functionality of armrests, headrests, and folding mechanisms. Performance and everyday versatility streamline interior protection for busy families, pet owners, and road trip enthusiasts battling daily spills, mud, and UV fading. Crafted from a durable, heavy-duty faux leather material, the covers defend your original upholstery against permanent stains and claw marks while remaining soft and breathable. Day-to-day usability is supercharged by airbag-compatible specialized side stitching, easy-wipe waterproof cleaning surfaces, and a straightforward installation process utilizing secure buckles, zippers, and straps that lock the covers firmly in place without shifting. Things to consider before you buy, because these are custom-tailored 1:1 seat covers designed specifically for complex 8-seat Tahoe and Suburban interiors across 3 rows. Installation requires patience and time to carefully tuck and secure each section for that factory-upholstered look. Additionally, you will want to verify your exact trim level and second-row seat configuration, confirming the 40/60 split bench layout to ensure an exact match before ordering. So who is this really for? This custom faux leather cover set is an absolute home run for Tahoe and Suburban owners who want to protect their factory leather investment. Upgrade a base cloth interior to a premium look, or easily wipe away messes from kids and pets. If you drive a different vehicle model year or have a bucket seat second-row configuration, a different custom pattern will be required to match your seating layout. Is it worth the money? If you value precise 1:1 OEM fitment, rugged faux leather durability, full 8-seat 3-row coverage, airbag safety compatibility, and an upscale two-tone black and gray aesthetic, it is a premier, interior transforming investment for your SUV.